In recent news, the Tesla Gigafactory near Berlin, Germany, was the target of a suspected arson attack, resulting in a major power outage and the evacuation of the facility. A left-wing extremist group known as the Volcano Group has claimed responsibility for the sabotage, citing environmental and labor concerns as their motivations. This incident has raised questions about the impact of Tesla's expansion plans and the ongoing tensions between the company and local activists. In this video, we will dive deeper into the real reason behind the SpaceX Gigafactory attack, examining the environmental and social factors that have contributed to this conflict. The arson attack and its consequences. On March 5, 2024, the Tesla Gigafactory in Grünheide, Germany, experienced a major power outage, leading to the evacuation of the facility. The Volcano Group, a far-left extremist organization, claimed responsibility for the attack, stating that their goal was to cause the largest possible blackout of the Gigafactory. The group expressed concerns about the environmental impact of the factory, accusing Tesla of consuming earth, resources, and water to produce a large number of vehicles. The arson attack on the electricity pylon caused significant disruptions, with thousands of homes losing power during the incident. The interruption in production is expected to result in substantial financial losses for Tesla, estimated to be in the high hundreds of millions of euros. While the company has taken measures to secure the production facilities, it is not expected that production will resume quickly. Environmental concerns and opposition to Tesla's expansion. One of the key factors driving the opposition to Tesla's Gigafactory expansion in Germany is the environmental impact of the facility. Critics argue that the factory's operations contribute to groundwater contamination and require large quantities of drinking water for electric vehicle production. These concerns were raised by officials from the local water authority in February, further fueling the opposition to Tesla's plans. The expansion project faced challenges from the local community, with residents voting against the expansion in a non-binding survey in February. Opponents of the project voiced concerns about the potential impact on water protection zones in the area, considering the ongoing drought conditions in the Brandenburg region where Grünheide is located. Activists have also occupied the surrounding forest to protest the factory's impact on the local water supply. The Volcano Group, motivations and previous attacks. The Volcano Group, responsible for the recent arson attack on the Tesla Gigafactory, has a history of engaging in extremist actions. The group's letter, signed Agua de Pau after a volcanic mountain in the Azores, expressed their motivation to halt the production of electric vehicles, which they consider to be harmful to the environment. The Volcano Group has previously claimed responsibility for an arson attack during the construction of the Gigafactory in 2021. German authorities have documented various crimes committed by the Volcano Group under different aliases, including a surge in arson attacks on cars in 2011. The use of Icelandic volcano names as aliases is a recurring pattern among the perpetrators. While the authenticity of the Volcano Group's letter is still being investigated by the police, German authorities believe it to be genuine. Elon Musk's response and criticism of the attack. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk took to social media platform X to condemn the attack on the Gigafactory, referring to the Volcano Group as the dumbest eco-terrorists on Earth. Musk criticized the group for targeting electric vehicle production rather than fossil fuel vehicles, highlighting what he perceives as a lack of environmental understanding on their part. His response has sparked further debate about the role of electric vehicles in achieving sustainability goals and the effectiveness of extremist actions in driving change. Investigation and legal consequences. German authorities are actively investigating the arson attack on the Tesla Gigafactory and the authenticity of the Volcano Group's letter. Police have not yet provided conclusive information about the individuals responsible for the attack. The investigation is expected to take several days, and if the Volcano Group's involvement is confirmed, legal consequences are likely to follow. Implications for Tesla's expansion plans. The arson attack and the ongoing opposition to Tesla's expansion plans have significant implications for the company's operations in Germany. The Gigafactory in Grünheide is Tesla's only factory in Europe, and it plays a crucial role in the company's strategy to lead the European electric vehicle market. The temporary halt in production and the disruptions caused by the attack highlight the challenges Tesla faces in realizing its expansion goals and maintaining a positive relationship with local communities and environmental activists. The arson attack on the Tesla Gigafactory in Germany by the Volcano Group has shed light on the environmental and social tensions surrounding the company's expansion plans. The attack reflects the concerns of activists who believe that Tesla's operations have a negative impact on the environment and local resources. While the investigation into the incident is ongoing, the consequences for Tesla and the broader discussion surrounding the role of electric vehicles in sustainable transportation remain significant. As the situation unfolds, it will be essential for all stakeholders to find a balance between environmental protection, economic development, and social responsibility. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.